Hey guys, it's Chad with Legend Fleet Solutions, and today I'll be showing you how to install a universal side step. First things first, you're gonna unpackage all of your brackets and hardware from your kit. These are your frame brackets, your main mounting bar assembly, and your rocker brackets. So first thing, we're gonna install the frame brackets to the main bar assembly. Next would be to install your rocker mount brackets to the main bar assembly. Next, you're going to take these two bushings provided in the hardware kit and place them in these pre-drilled holes. They should sit flush with either side of the frame. Once you've installed your brackets to the main bar assembly, you can then hang your full assembly to the frame using the bolts that we've installed our bushings in. Once you have the main assembly hung from the frame, you can then push your rocker mount brackets tight up against the rocker. This is when you're going to use a transfer punch and mark each hole on both sides. After you've marked them, move your assembly down and drill all 4 holes. Once the 4 holes are there, you can then bring your assembly tight back up against the rocker and install your bolts. Once you've fully installed the brackets onto your main bar assembly, drilled your holes into the rocker panel, installed your bushings, and everything's set, the last you're gonna do is fully tighten all the bolts. And the last step is finally installing your tread onto the bracket. Line up your holes with the corresponding in the tread and drop in your bolts.